Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is a little bit different. It's diamond painted related, but not exactly a diamond painting. So the folks at BenQ contacted me and asked if I would show this lamp on my channel. So this is an e-reading lamp. They're trying to see if folks in the diamond painting community and crafting would like this kind of product. They actually sent me a really nicely worded email saying that it would be good for things that are sophisticated and complex patterns under poor lighting and would be good for this. So let's try it out. I'm all for lighting, especially since I don't use a light pad for diamond painting and I only use an overhead. Oh, okay. I was like, why can't I open it? It still has tape. So yeah, this is available on Amazon in a couple different colors and actually like 2 sizes also. I think this is the smaller size. And apparently it really does not want me to open this. So I do plan to record this unboxing and then use it for a little bit and then update what I thought after unboxing this. So thank you to the folks at BenQ for sending this. I'm sorry if the sound, you could hear my air conditioning in the background. Okay, so it looks like there is some construction. Okay. So here's some nice pictures of it, you know, before I mess everything up. So there is the light over some things here. So I figure while I'm unboxing this, I guess I could talk about it. They did give me some specs. So I'll actually put the specs up at this time while I'm reading it. Hopefully, you know, if I do my editing correctly. So it says the key product features is wide and even brightness distribution. An expansive coverage of 35 inches provides 150% wider than average lighting offered by standardized desk lamp to light up every corner of your working space. This also reduces hot spots and harsh shadows, giving you premium eye comfort, which, you know, as diamond painting takes hours, I figure lighting is probably one of those things that's important. And let's see, what is all included? I'm like, unfortunately, I can't read and unbox this at the same time. I'm like, can I do more than one thing? So, okay, so this is the plug. And in here is the light here. Okay, so I got the gold version. Here, I do remember on the website, on Amazon, I think there's a blue, a silver, and a gold. And then there's one that's bigger than this one. So it does swing. Okay, I see it swings this way. Swings here, and then there's the light, and then here is, okay, so it gives me instructions here because I like my instructions, and a tool doohickey. Okay, quick start guide for book reading, for screen reading. Let me tell you, this base is actually very heavy. Like, so But yeah, I was gonna try this out, diamond painting. And since I normally diamond paint at night, I'm hoping this will work really well. So first, let me make sure there's not anything crazy. So it seems like I'll move you up because you can't see it. Put this thing here, and I use these two screws. I'm not sure what this is for. Oh, I see, it's the cover. Okay, so there's, I don't know if you could see it, there is two screws that you have to put there. But unfortunately, it can't really show it that much on camera because this thing is in there. So right here is, oh, let me tell you, not the best at adding screws, but hey, I have put together those furnitures that are flat in the flat boxes. If you could do that, you could do anything, right? So I'm going to pause for a little bit and screw this in because I think this will take a little finagling. So meanwhile, while I'm putting it together, I'll continue talking about the key product features. So it does say it has a premium color representation. Color rendering index shows how well a light can represent the true color of objects. Super bright light usually means a sacrifice of CRI. BenQ e-reading lamp, however, has a CRI of over 95, while also provides a maximum lux of 1800. No idea what that means. Sounds good though. And it has a smart e-reading mode. Ambient light sensor will be activated with a touch of the control ring to detect the brightness of the surroundings, and contrast and reflective glare is reduced on your screen by adjusting the brighter illumination on the sides of the dimmer and the center of the screen. So I have tested this out, and you have to just click it and it will go into reading mode or screen reading mode or paper reading mode. So, and it has also an adjustable color temperature and brightness. Enjoy different lighting moods by turning the knob to adjust color temperature and brightness. Turn to cooler and brighter light for focusing at work, and warmer and dimmer settings for pleasure reading. So yeah, here are all the things the light can do, and for now, I'll go back to after I constructed it, so I'll see you later. Okay, I finished all the screws, and then this little white piece goes at the top here. And then this cord here is supposed to, it says I need, it looks like the cord just does that and then goes into here. It says this should be like 8 centimeters. Well, let's follow the instructions. So what is 8 centimeters? Because I don't know. 8 centimeters is about that much. Okay. So because yeah, the little picture here says that thing should be about 8 centimeters. So there's a place to put the cord here. And then I guess this is what gets attached to this here. So I will, at this time, wait, I could plug it in. I have a plug down there, so let's try plugging it in. So there it is plugged in. It's actually much bigger than I thought it would be. So I might have to move you up a little. Okay, so there's a knob here. Oh, it's turned on. So you turn it on from this knob here, I think. Okay, so there's probably more instructions than I think. Okay, so rotate the knob to adjust brightness. Press the knob to color to temperature, and you rotate the knob. Is there an on? Oh, you could turn it off from touching this metal ring. I don't know. Okay, so if I turn off some lights, maybe you'll notice more. So it's one of those touch lamp things, so there it is, and then I could turn it off by touching this here and turn it on that way, and then the knob will adjust the brightness, so I could go brighter here and then darker. And if I go bright, I could also touch the knob here, and it should change what if I press the knob, it can change in what kind of light. I think it says press the knob to switch the color temperature. Oh, okay, so I have to press the knob and it'll switch from color temperature. So there's a color temperature, there's a different color temperature. And then if I press it again, it will switch to dark and light. So there you go. And auto dimming. Screen reading mode. Touch the metal ring for 2 seconds. (1001, 1002). So that's book reading mode. And if I 1001, 1002, that is screen reading mode. Okay, so yeah, unfortunately it turns green and red right here. So I'm going to test this out for a bit, but for now, I guess I'll have the stuff read out, all the info on it, and I'll be back. So I'm back, and here is the lamp where I diamond paint. So folks have been curious about my, I guess, diamond painting area, and this is it. Normally this table here is in my living room, but I have since put it in my bedroom right now just because this is where my air conditioning unit is, and while it's still warm, this is where it's going. So I have a sit stand table there. It's also a drafting table, but I don't really like diamond painting when the diamond painting's on an angle. I have my chair here, and then this organizer here thing came with the table, and then I also have a random chair there to hold more, like I think that's drills for something else. So yeah, here is also where I have my ABs in these drawers here. And yeah, so this is my current whip that I'm working on this table. And so my journal, my drills, and my diamond painting stuff. I don't have that much diamond painting stuff. So yeah. So here is the light here. I do like that the base is flat so I can still put things on there, and it is heavy, so I'm not worried about the light falling over or anything. So yeah, it does turn off really easily, so you could just turn it off by touching that and then turn it back on that way. And then there's the modes on there. So there's the reading mode, so like book reading mode, which is the yellow or red. And then the green is the screen reading mode. And then you have the knobs here to turn it. So right now it's on the change it brighter or lighter, and then if you click it, it can change to what type of light you want. And I don't know how well my camera is gonna pick it up, but yeah, I also like that you can move this way, so depending on what kind of light you want, and then you could also move it up and down like that. So yeah, I tend to like it in the not so bright mode because I don't know, that's just how I like it. And yeah, all I actually diamond paint with is just this light, and I don't turn on my overhead light, so it's bright enough to illuminate pretty much my whole table here. And yeah, no, so I've really liked how this has worked out for me. And so thank you to BenQ for sending the lamp for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.